Welcome back to another video with Details and Dents. Today we're going to be showcasing our window tinting service. This is something we just recently added in our shop, but it's not something we're new to the game. I've been laying PPF and tint for the past few years for close family and friends, but we've just added in the shop because we have a new employee, Jake. Jake has been training for the past few months on window tinting, and I feel super confident in his abilities. Now, before we get started, let's talk about some of the benefits of window tinting. Number one, the blocking of UV rays. This protects you and your skin, but it also protects the interior of your car as well as the plastics and the leather from fading. We've all seen vehicles with cracked dashes. Window tinting will help prevent that from happening. Number two, safety. Window tinting can help prevent your glass from shattering during an accident, as well as prevent criminals from seeing the valuables inside your vehicle. And the last one, number three, looks. Having your windows tinted will just set your car off. Everyone knows you put two cars side by side, the one that's tinted is going to look way better, hands down. It is what it is. Now that we've discussed the benefits, let's talk about the different levels of tint we carry. We carry 3 different tint: the good, the better, the best. The higher level the tint you go, the more expensive it is based on the complexity of the tint. I let all of my customers know we have a tint package for everyone, and we let the customer decide based on the look, the function, and the customer's budget. All of our tint comes with a lifetime warranty, so let's get started. Our first step in our window tinting process is to remove the door panel. You can see we've already broke that loose, so now it's time to get started with the cleaning. Cleaning is the most important step to window tinting. I can have the best window tinter in the world. If there's dirt or debris on the glass, when you lay the tint, you're going to see the defects. When cleaning your windows, I prefer a scuff pad or a sponge, but sometimes you also need a razor blade and adhesive remover to get off some of the stickers. When you're cleaning your window, you want to use tons of lubrication. We use our slip solution. You want to start at the top, working your way to the bottom. When you're done cleaning, you want to make sure you squeegee in a downward motion so that way you don't leave any debris on the window. Now that we have the window nice and clean, it's time to go cut out some film on our GraphTech plotter. Currently using 3M film and 3M software. On this project, we use their base level Obsidian at 30%, which is the legal limit for South Carolina. This software allows us to input the year, make, and model and give us our outline. So let's go. Now that we have the film plotted out, it's time to separate the two pieces and weed out the film that we're not going to be using. Now that we have our film plotted and our window clean, it's time to lay some tint. Now on this installation, we're not going to be using a peel board as most of our DIY and weekend warriors won't have one. And we want this to serve as also a house for pre-cut templates. Now also on this installation, we're going to be bottom loading. We normally top load, which means we set our edge, work the window film down, and tuck it into the belt molding. Bottom loading is a little bit easier for novice tinters. As you can see, we already have the door open, ready for a bottom loading. As you can see, Jake has his film in his hands, ready to be installed. We're going to use the rear door as our peel board, making sure we use tons of lubrication. When we install the film and the liner on our rear door, make sure the liner is on the outside, film is on the inside. That way when we peel our liner, our adhesive is ready to go on the window. After his film and the liner is on the rear door, he's going to lubricate his front window, get ready for installation. Once he's ready, we're going to peel the liner and install the film. now that Jake has installed the window and he made sure there was no air bubbles, water bubbles, or debris inside the tent, it's time to reinstall the door and send it down the road. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you could, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Have a good one and check us back for our next video.